comes. Let's close your eye first. Don't open your eyes. Only close. Very hard. If you open your eyes, then you can't see. Look. Ta-da!
Wow, very nice storybook.
Yes.
Splash.
This story is very easy. Splash.
Story name is Splash.
Baby Hill. I got surprise for you. Written by Lucy.
Written by
Hunt,
Lucy.
led by Davy
Illustrated
Hill.
by Davy Hill.
Comes. I can see cloud. She saw a cloud. Can I show you?
Show me.
Look.
Okay, I can see cloud. Next page, Pihu. Can you show me?
Look, there's not clouds in the back.
Yes.
Oh, I saw one cloud is here.
Can you show me next page?
Next page, fine. I
Yes.
show you. Oh, look what happened in this page. This page is coming to shatter.
Yes.
Now I can see rain. Can I show it to you? Come see.
See.
Now you can see?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the third story. What is this?
Next.
I can see umbrella.
Umbrella. Can you show me page, Pihu?
Fine, I can show you.
Oh. I can see umbrella.
Yay! Thank
Wow.
you. Now she's jumping because
Show me.
she's laughing her leg
Fun. Splash.
Because-
She doing splash.
because she's laughing.
Yes. She
Hi,
doing
hi.
fun in raining.
Can I read the fourth story?
Next page.
Fine.
Next page.
Now I am wet. She's so
Oh,
wet.
now I'm
Now
wet.
I can show you now.
Yes, now she is wet.
She's jumped in a pool and she got wet.
Yes.
She's having cold for this.
Yes.
She wants to open the clothes.
Yes.
Look this one. There's a story map. Can I
Sorry?
show you? Come.
Yes.
See.
A story map. Wow, very nice map, Pihu.
Do you love the story, everybody?
Yes.
Very good. If you know my channel and my channel is Adikan Piu, don't forget the bell.
Say thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Today, please share with your family.